doing a quick summary on how you can find the domain name registrar as well as the DNS. First, I want to talk quickly about DNS. When you are going online on a browser to look for a website, you type in a domain name, and that domain name goes through a bunch of servers trying to figure out where it is, and it gets an IP address, and that is where it then finds your website and loads it. So you type in Google, it asks the DNS, hey, where is Google located? It gets the name servers, goes to an IP address, and it gets to an actual server that then gives you back a website that you can interact with. If we go to whois.com/whois/websites in a flash, we will get this general whois lookup information. So you can see the domain name is websitesinaflash.com. You can see the registrar is Ionos. So that's the first step of the equation. Very simple right there, Ionos. Then you want to know where is the name server. Now the name server is often in the same place that the domain name is registered, or it's in the same place that the website is hosted. But in this case, these are all going to be different. The registrar is Ionos, the name servers are Cloudflare, and then those are then pointed to a server. Now the whois information by itself won't tell you where it is pointed. So let's see if we can figure it out. So that brings us back to our A record lookup. If I search for websites in a flash in our A record lookup, we'll see where that DNS is pointed, and we can see it is pointed at these IP addresses. Sometimes you can click on them to get some more information. Cloudflare hides the A record. So we're pointing towards these IP addresses, which don't mean anything for us. So we need to sign into our Cloudflare account to get access to figure out which IP addresses, which servers it's actually pointed to. And then we can compare that to the IP addresses for the servers we have access to. Okay, so here I am at Cloudflare. I've signed into my Websites in a Flash account. I'm going to look at the Websites in a Flash domain name, and we will check our DNS settings. And under DNS, we have a bunch of A records, but we're looking for the main one. So it's probably www. So then I look at the DNS records. We have an A record for www, and it is pointed to this IP address. Now this IP address is one of our Cloudflare servers, so you can figure out what server it is from that and add it to the system.